6 questions and 6 answers about galvanized aluminum magnesium steel plate. Now, Mito Steel will introduce to you what zinc, aluminum magnesium steel plate is, as well as the precautions and quality objections during the processing. 1. What is galvanized aluminum magnesium steel plate? Galvanized aluminum magnesium steel plate is a new type of highly corrosion-resistant coated steel plate, with zinc as the main component of the coating. It is composed of zinc, 1.5% to 11% aluminum, 1.5% to 3% magnesium, and trace amounts of silicon, with slightly different proportions from different manufacturers. Currently, the thickness range that can be produced domestically is 0.4 to 2.5 millimeters. Our company can provide a thickness range of 0.4 millimeters to 8 millimeters, and a width range of 580 millimeters to 1,500 millimeters. Due to the composite effect of these added elements, their corrosion inhibition effect is further improved. In addition, it has excellent processing performance under harsh conditions, such as stretching, stamping, bending, painting, welding, high coating hardness, and excellent damage resistance. Compared with ordinary galvanized and aluminum zinc coated products, it has better corrosion resistance. Due to its super strong corrosion resistance, it can be used instead of stainless steel or aluminum in some fields. The corrosion resistance and self-healing effect of the cutting end face is a major feature of the product. What are the uses of galvanized aluminum magnesium steel plate? True zinc aluminum magnesium products are widely used in civil engineering, keel sealing, perforated plate, cable tray, agricultural animal products, steel structure of agricultural breeding shed, steel components and accessories, greenhouse, breeding equipment, railway roads, power communications, high and low voltage switchgear for power transmission and distribution, box-type substation enclosure, photovoltaic supports, automotive motors, industrial refrigeration, cooling tower, line, outdoor industrial air conditioning, and other industries. They are widely used in many fields. Why does the surface of zinc aluminum magnesium steel plate occasionally have black spots? Zinc aluminum magnesium, because of the ternary alloy and the relatively active magnesium ions, there are generally black spots on the surface of zinc aluminum magnesium products, which are objective and unpredictable. First, mass production can relatively avoid the black spot problem. Second, in the process of small batch production, it will be relatively obvious. The main reason is that the alloy zinc ingot fails to give sufficient time to react in the heating process. At present, this problem exists in domestic and international galvanized aluminum magnesium products. Whether the black spot is obvious is directly related to the contrast of the brightness of the plate surface of various manufacturers. What should I pay attention to when purchasing as an additive user? Zinc aluminum magnesium products have a wide range of uses. For different purposes, different ordering standards are configured, such as passivation, oiling, non-passivation, oiling, passivation, non-oiling, non-passivation, non-oiling, and fingerprint resistance. Therefore, in the process of small batch purchase and use, it is necessary to confirm the use scenarios and surface delivery requirements with suppliers to avoid subsequent processing problems. Why is the surface brightness of the newly purchased galvanized aluminum magnesium steel plate different from that of the previous inventory? Zinc aluminum magnesium production steel plants are also adjusting the brightness according to user requirements. Some of the panel colors change from dark to bright, and some from bright to dark. Therefore, there may be a little deviation in the color of different manufacturers and different batches. Is the proportion of high aluminum and high magnesium the best? High magnesium, high aluminum, brittle coating, relatively good corrosion resistance, salt spray test can read first. But there will be cracks when magnified under the microscope after bending, which is suitable for flat plate use. If bending, stamping and other processing are carried out in the process of use, it is recommended to choose the low aluminum and low magnesium scheme, because the coating is relatively flexible, and the salt spray test can read second, which is the product with the highest cost performance in the market at present. DALIAN Mesco Steel has been focusing on steel raw materials for 50 years, a gold medal supplier of industrial raw materials, a founding enterprise director, Enterprise of Northeast Steel Structure Alliance, and a director enterprise of China Steel Export Alliance. Relying on the accumulation of development resources for many years and the integration of the global system, it has successively established cooperative relations with hundreds of enterprises and government agencies. Its huge industrial procurement system, perfect services, advanced technology, and rich experience and resources have established an excellent corporate reputation for Mito Steel at home and abroad. Main products: galvanized aluminum magnesium steel plate, aluminized steel plate, powder-coated plate, coated steel plate, aluminized steel pipe, aluminized zinc steel pipe, galvanized aluminum magnesium steel pipe, weather-resistant steel plate. Enamel steel plate. Mito Steel is committed to the solution of industrial raw materials based on steel, focusing on the research and development of new materials and deep processing. It is a leading enterprise in China's steel industry. Mito Steel has a long-term supply of spot galvanized aluminum magnesium steel plate. If you need to purchase, please contact Mito Steel Sales.